Hello. Hasn't gotten on yet, so it's just me. So it might be me for a minute. Skip to post this. Works. We'll see how it goes. Okay. Okay. I spelled something. This conversation. Someone's gonna join. They should join really soon. Don't know what to do. Just me. Does that mean that there's a... Oh, invite people. With P. Personally. My messages? Tanner, if you can see me right now, that would be really embarrassing. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh no. You. Okay. Oh no. I sent you a message and it has a Google Hangout. And so try clicking out this page. I don't know. Okay. I sent you a message and it has a Google Hangout. So try clicking out this page. Now there's 2 viewers. Who else is watching this? I sent you a message and it has a Google Hangout. So try clicking out this page. Now there's 2 viewers. Who else is watching?
Hey. Hey. Hola.
Hi!
Hey.
Oh my gosh. Yay! So this is being recorded.
Perfect. All right. Well, we're getting recorded.
Yeah.
Sweet.
I don't know how I make like half the screen. Sometimes I can see me, and then sometimes I can see you.
I don't know how to do any of this stuff. I never mess with Google Hangouts or YouTube videos. So
Me either.
So this is all new to me. But all right. Well, I'm assuming you need the chai test, the chi-square test. Is the stuff you need help with?
Oh yeah. Okay. So I just wanted to see. Have you finished it?
Yeah, I got it all finished.
How do you get it done so fast?
I did it over 2 days.
Oh, okay.
Like number 1 wasn't too bad, and then number 2 I totally bombed. I don't know what I did wrong on it, but just on the binomial thing, the numerical question. That one's weird.
Oh, the last one?
Yeah, the last one I totally got that one wrong, and I don't know what I did wrong, but I did something wrong. So
I'm not even sure to start with that one. So
yeah,
I don't know.
But the other ones I got right in that one, at least I think. Her and I do different, like the way we answer things is different. So,
oh yeah.
So I think I got those ones right, but I don't really know. But I totally got my chi-square test right though. They were right on them, so I feel really good about that.
That's good. Okay, because I took biostatistics already, and so I'm used to doing chi-square tests, but I'm used to using a computer program to do them, and so I've never done them by hand.
Yeah, yeah, chi-square tests. They're great.
Yeah. So I know, like, I got my null hypothesis and things like that, but I started to attempt it, and then I stopped because I was like, hey, if we're gonna talk about it,
yeah,
I'd love just a little bit of help. So
just a little bit of feedback on that.
Yes. So, let's see.
So you're needing help with number 3 then, I'm assuming?
Yes, number 3.
So, let's see here. My null hypothesis was that it was going to follow Mendelian theory. She had it written out a little bit more than that. She had like it was going to follow the Mendelian law of segregation and the Mendelian ratio or whatever. And she kind of wrote it out longer than me. I put it's going to follow what you would expect from standard Mendelian inheritance.
Yeah. I did also, I wasn't sure if we were also supposed to do this, but I did that disease sensitive is dominant and herbicide resistant is dominant, while disease resistant and herbicide sensitive is recessive. And that cross follows Mendel's laws.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's generally what she's looking for.
Well, you want me to double check on that? I can at least do it over and make sure.
It's okay. I'm just looking more for like your opinion on it. It's okay.
I felt that I answered the question adequately enough without putting that in there, but
okay.
I'm also a little bit of I'm kind of a speedy person as far as I'll just kind of throw whatever answer and call it good, which does get me in trouble with answers. So if you want to be more thorough, you definitely could be. But
okay.
And I don't.
Then I'll just stick with what I have, because what I have makes sense to me.
If it makes sense to you, then that's awesome.
Okay.
So let's see. I won't give you the answer. I'll just check and see how she wrote it.
Okay. Where are the cars?
So she mentioned the whether it was resistant or sensitive, but she doesn't go into any detail about it.
Okay.
But if you wanted to write that out, you could.
Okay.
And actually,
and
then
oh, sorry. What?
No, nothing. I'm just on that one. Actually, her and I got different values, but the other one we were right on.
Okay. Because I spent a little bit of time studying what she has in the PowerPoint and in the lecture notes. I haven't watched the videos yet though. For her chi-square. Did she have chi-square videos? I haven't even checked, to be honest.
I watched half of the videos. I got to the binomial, whatever it was. And then I just kind of delved into the group problems because I was like, I don't have time to watch all of these because they're being kind of long and I don't have time for this.
So. Is someone trying to get in on our video?
No, that's my best friend. Well, I don't think so. I'm getting messages on Facebook from.
Oh, okay. Yeah. I was like, that sounds like a Skype noise.
Yeah, that's people see I'm on them like, hey.
Okay. So when it comes to the chi-squared test, the goodness of fit, I feel like I understand that pretty well. I haven't done the calculations yet. I haven't attempted those ones, which I feel like I probably should have done before I came to this meeting. So I apologize. But do you have any advice for the chi-squared problems then?
So what I just kind of do it one step at a time. So yeah, I just really focus on like one section until they're all done. And I try and not get overwhelmed because it's super easy to get overwhelmed. Just be sure to keep your numbers as simple as you can for as long as you can, because the numbers do kind of go crazy, and then and then it kind of is hard to keep track of things. So just try and keep track of where you're at.
Okay. Do you mind if I just ask you what you got for number 1 and number 2, just to see if I have the same answers?
Yeah, sure. Let me pull it up.
I'm afraid that I did that one like not totally right.
I was nervous about that too, but then I think I'm pretty sure that number 1 especially I was right on.
Okay.
So number 1A, FG plant with wrinkled yellow seeds. So it's the true breeding RRGG. Cross them, you get 2 heterozygotes. F2, the wrinkled yellow probability for an RRGG or RRGG. dominant or recessive, however it was. I got 3/16.
3/16? Yeah. Okay, good. That's what I got too. And so for B, this was the one that I also wasn't entirely sure because it was 3 out of 3, and so I was following the equation that she gave us.
Yeah.
And it was like 3 minus 3 and 3 times 0 and so
What?
I got 21 out of 50, and so I'm not sure if that was right.
Not what I got.
Okay.
Let me. Okay, so yeah, that's okay. That is. Let me just make sure that that looks good. Yeah. All right. So what I got, she did it in decimal form. I did it in fraction form.
Okay.
I got 729 out of 4,096. Which sounds like a terrible number.
4,026.
4,096.
Oh.
729 out of 496 or 4096.
That's not what I got.
Yeah. So that one, 3 out of 3.
Okay.
Means that you find the ratio, you know, and that ratio, it's you're looking for a homozygous completely, like capital R, capital G plus heterozygous dominant and a homozygous dominant plus a pure heterozygous, and then an R homozygous and a G heterozygous. So you add those 3 ratios together, which is a 1/16 plus a 1/8 plus a 1/4 plus a 1/8, and that'll equal 9/16. Sorry, I'm going really fast.
No, you're okay. I just did it a completely different way, so I want to write down your process. So you did 1/16. Then what did you do?
So I found the ratios for each of those genotypes.
Oh, okay.
Which,
the round, yellow, wrinkled, green.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, no, sorry. We're on number 2, not number 3. Sorry. Round yellow? Is that what you're talking about?
So 3 out of 3 plants with round yellow seeds. So
right.
The genotype for round yellow seeds is 4 different ways that it can go.
Oh, okay. I see what
so
you're
I
saying.
found the ratio for all of their possible genotypes, which is totally homozygous RRGG totally. It's then a heterozygous R homozygous G, then it's a heterozygous R heterozygous G, and then it's a homozygous R heterozygous G. So there's always something dominant in all of them, is what that means.
Okay.
And so I found the ratios for all of those. The ratios were 1/16, 1/8, or 2. What is that?
2/16.
2/16. 1/4, 4/16, and then 1/8. Again, I added those all together, gave me 9/16. So that's the possibility. Then for 3 out of 3 means that you need to multiply that by itself 3 times. And that gave me 729 out of 4,096. Which is like 17%, which is the answer she put.
Okay. So that wasn't an equation where we could have used
the binomial thing? No.
Yeah.
Binomial, we used that one time, and I did it totally wrong, so I don't really want to give you what I did, because my numbers were totally off. And they fell off.
Okay.
So I was like, this is wrong, but I'm doing it.
That's why I was like, I'm really sure that I have no idea what I'm doing, because that's what I thought I was supposed to be doing, but I just didn't. I guess I just didn't look at the question right.
So I did use it at the right place, so I can give you that, like what the sign is for that.
Okay, because I did it the second time, and so I'm like kind of scared that I did it wrong. But I did it in the second question, not this one.
Yeah, it's number 2, letter C was when I used it.
Yeah, that's when I used it too.
So that one, you're looking for so the question is, what is the probability that 7 F2 plants are produced, 3 are tall with white flowers, and 4 are dwarf with white flowers? The reason that you can do that is because it says out of 7, and then it gives you 2 possible numbers that you can go with, and they're in no particular order. But it's like, so out of this many, how many are possible that are this and this?
Okay.
That's your big show off, is the and word, I believe, is the one that you do.
That's right, because it says that in the notes. It says like the word or is how you can tell that you need to use that equation.
Yeah. Or is the other one. Or is addition, I believe.
Seriously? Whatever.
Because like this one, letter C on number 1, an F2 plant that will have either round yellow seeds or wrinkled green seeds. You just find the ratios for both of those and you add them together.
Did you get 5/8?
Yeah.
For that one?
Yeah, she put 10/16 on that one, but yeah.
That's the same thing. And then the last one, did you get 7/16?
Yep.
Okay, good. I don't know what I was thinking, but at least I did part of it right.
Yeah, yeah. The binomials is super hard. I hope that she gives us more information on that, although we've got a test this week, so she's not even going to get this until afterwards. I'm like, oh, everyone.
Do you know when our test opens?
I have no clue. I haven't even looked. Okay. Due by this weekend, then it should be open right now. I'm really annoyed about that, because literally a week ago she said we're halfway there. So I wasn't even thinking. I was thinking like next week.
All of my tests for every single class I have been this week. I had my organic chemistry test yesterday, my biology and microorganisms test open today, and then there's that test. So
good luck. I had a test yesterday.
This week, everybody planned them around it.
Yeah, it's just BYU Idaho's schedule. They, all the teachers are cramming, so it's always at the same time. Anything else that you wanted to talk about, I'm happy to go and come back on Friday, or we can count this. Probably we've talked about most of the questions.
Yeah, I'd like to just count this one. I just wanted to see what you got for number 2, just to make sure that I did at least part of that right.
Yeah. So that's how you do number 2. So it's really similar to number 1, just a little more in depth.
Okay. Because like for sorry, go ahead.
On number 4, how did you do?
Number 4, 3.
That's the analyzing pedigree chart.
Oh, okay. So do you want me to tell you what I got?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. And some of these, I felt like they generally met the criteria, and I've done this before, but there was like one that I wasn't exactly sure about, so hopefully I'm at least like sort of right. But
I got them all right. I'll let you know.
Okay. So the first one, I had autosomal dominant.
Yep.
Okay.
And what's the
second one was the one
How do you know that that's autosomal?
So the reason, hold on, let me pull it up. Okay. Autosomal dominant, because both males and females were affected. It wasn't like just passed from father to son. Looking at her criteria that she had, they'll always have an affected parent. And so that was true with all of these as well. When it comes to the heterozygous nature, we don't really know that. And then 2 affected individuals can produce unaffected offspring if the 2 affected individuals are heterozygous. So that was the reason why, was because it met some of those criteria.
Yeah. Yeah, that one, and my big clue was the at the very bottom on the right, there was that lady that didn't get it, and then the kids had it.
Yeah.
And obviously, it has to be dominant, and then it was in both males and females, so it's got to be autosomal instead of sexing.
Yeah, that's true. This is also something where like you could actually do all of the crosses and like look at the probabilities, but that would take forever.
Oh yeah, totally.
I've done that too, but that's not fun. Okay, and so the second one was I also put autosomal dominant, but I wasn't sure about that one.
So
New.
it's not autosomal dominant. It's if you look. So are you looking at it?
Yes.
Okay, so on the left side, there's a male that's got it, and then none of the sons.
Mm-hmm.
That's a huge show. That's a big indicator that, but then all the daughters do. So
and then it's on the right. It's the same thing too, where the father has it, but none of his sons have it.
Yeah. So that means that it's X-linked dominant because so mom didn't have it. She passed on nothing. Dad has it. He passed on to all the girls. So therefore, X-linked dominant.
Okay. That makes more sense.
Yeah.
For C, I had X-linked recessive.
Yeah. Yeah, that's correct.
Just because all the men, not all the men, but some of the men have it, and the men who do have it don't always pass it on.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then for D, I don't remember why I put it, but I have autosomal recessive.
Yeah, that's what it is. It's because it skips generations.
Okay.
One.
I couldn't remember why I put that, but
yeah, exactly.
I did.
Generations. But that one's like kind of tricky. It's kind of hard because you're like, I'm trying to figure this out. It's kind of
yeah. There's only 2 people who have it in the pedigree, and so you're like, just have those to look at.
Yeah, I have nothing to go off of.
Okay, so the last question I wanted just to ask you, I just wanted to pick your brain for what you had for number 2 for your answers.
Yeah.
Okay. For A, B, C, and D, just because I don't know if I did it correctly. For A, what?
And we're talking about number 2?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. For A, I have 7 out of 16.
That's not what I got.
Awesome.
Perfect. And
B.
All right, B.
I got like really small numbers because I used the binomial equation when I shouldn't have. I think.
You're not supposed to use it there.
Okay, so I don't think I did that right because I have like 0.0012 and like 0.0020 for C, and so they're really small.
So my number for C, I hate. I got 0.0000349 and then 0.0000352. Just terrible numbers. They're wrong. They're totally wrong.
Do you know what the right answer is supposed to look like?
Yeah, let me look at that and just pull it up. Well, actually, I may have gotten the right answer. Yeah, I got the right answer.
Okay. What does your equation look like?
Those are terrible numbers. Those are terrible, terrible numbers. I got it right on one of them. On the other one, I didn't. She's got, but the way she's got it is 3.52 times 10 to the negative 6.
Okay.
Or 3.52 times 10 to the negative 4%. Oh, that. So yeah, I did get it right. Yeah, that's weird. Okay.
Okay, so do you have like your notes? Do you know what your equation looked like?
Yeah, I've got it written out.
Okay.
I've been trying to like do all my writing on the computer, which is nice, but it like takes extra time. I'm done.
Oh yeah.
So, all right. Are you ready?
I'm ready. I'm looking
Okay.
at mine.
So we're gonna focus on for 3 tall and white flowers being our X.
Okay.
So 3 is kind of the number that we deal with. I did P equals 7 exclamation point divided by 3 exclamation point, and then in parentheses 7 minus 3 exclamation point. So that would be a
Okay. Yeah.
And that is going to be multiplied by 3/16 to the 3rd power, which is also going to be, huh?
I said I don't think I got 3/16 right. I have a decimal. Let me see what it is.
Okay.
No, actually, okay, I have that.
You sent me 7 messages. Are you trying to talk to me? Oh, sorry, guys.
You're good.
Okay.
So I have that.
So you did the 3/16 to the 3rd?
Yeah, that's what I have.
And then did you do 1/16 to the 7 minus 3?
Let me make sure that my decimal is 1/16. 2/5 math. Yeah, I do.
All right, well, that's where I was. So that equaled out kind of, before I totally solved it, I kind of just did a little bit of math. So it was 540 divided by 6 times 24, which equals 35 times 3/16 to the 3rd and 1/16 to the 4th. And
Okay.
And that equaled the 3.52 to 10 to the negative 6. Or
I think I just had a calculator here then.
Yeah.
Because I did the exact same thing, but I don't have the same answer.
Yeah, I did something weird earlier and had to do some weird multiplication and stuff.
Okay.
I guess it worked. I'm really glad that worked, because I was like, I don't know what to do. This is
That's awesome.
And then when I read it, I just saw that she did 10 to the negative 6, and I was like, well, I didn't do 10 to the negative 6, so I guess I missed it.
Hey, then you probably could give yourself more credit for it.
Yes! I feel like, Aaron, this is good that we're talking about this, because I'm feeling way better about my answer.
Good.
And then D is, I got 729 out of 1,048,576. These are terrible numbers.
Okay, that's not what I got. What did you say that you got?
On the letter D, I got 729 out of 1,048,576.
Okay.
Which she solved that one as well. She did a 6.95 to the 10 to the negative 4, which I think is probably a ballpark number. It's a small number.
Oh man. Okay. Well, that's...
Good luck.
Yeah. Thanks. Oh wait, the I'm sorry. What did you get for B again?
For B, let me pull it up. Number 2B?
Yeah.
I got 82 out of 65,536.
All right, I'm gonna review those problems. Thank you.
She got, see here. We got, what's the question again?
What is the probability that the first 4 offspring are either tall with white flowers or dwarf with white flowers?
Okay, so I definitely got this answer wrong. She got 0.001 or 1%.
Yeah. Okay, I got it.
There you go. Yeah.
That
Yeah,
makes
I did that one. Right.
awesome. Thank you so much.
No worries. Good luck with it. Did you want to go over number 5 at all, or have you not even touched it?
I haven't even touched it, but if you wanted to like
That
do
one.
it.
So if you can do the chi-square, then it's easy. Because
Okay.
it's an easier chi-square than the one that we do earlier.
Okay.
But you just you do it 3 times. And I had no problems with it. I got it right, which I think I was like 0.5 different from her, so I think we rounded at different spots. But
Okay.
yeah, so good luck with that. If you need any help, again, I'm happy to meet with you. But seems like you're gonna do just fine.
Well, thank you very much.
All right, you have a good one, and
I'll post this.
thank you. Talk to you later.
Bye.